What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny, and today I just have a January BoxyCharm unboxing video. This is the BoxyCharm base box. It retails for $27.99, and I'm gonna try to do one of these every month for you guys and not slack off. I'm also going to be uploading a try on video of everything that I'm trying on. That will be in another video, of course. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the base box. And the good thing about BoxyCharm is get this little card here. And this says, so fresh and so clean. So fresh and so clean is what this one says. And you get 5 items, full sizes. And it tells you everything that you need to know about each item on the back of this card. So let's see what the first one is. So the first thing that I pulled out the box was this Persona E-Balm. It's vegan and gluten-free. Persona Cosmetics E-Balm Tinted Lip Balm. A sheer, lightweight tinted lip balm packed with nourishing ingredients designed for feel-good comfort anytime, anywhere, and it is $22. So let's go ahead and open this and see. Most of the products in BoxyCharm are cruelty-free, so I like that. All right, this is what it looks like, Persona, and wow, it looks like a dark red lipstick. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Actually, I think I'm going to try this on now, and let's see. Oh, wow. Yeah, it definitely shows up red. So it does show up red, and that's crazy. Okay, the next item . Sorry, guys. That we have in our box is Lovecraft Beauty. Never heard of that. Lovecraft Beauty Plasma Gloss. This all-over iridescent bronze and gold gloss is a multifunctional buildable gloss that adds a dewy, bronzy, iridescent glow to the eyes, cheeks, and lips. So you can use it anywhere. It is $18. So let's see what this looks like. The packaging is pretty though. Looks like that. All right. And this is what it looks like. I like that. That's so cool. So pretty. Okay. And then let's open it up. It's sealed. So let's see. I always smell my makeup. Smells regular, but this is what it looks like, and I've stuck my fingernail into it by accident. I'm just gonna swatch it and see. Ooh, that's pretty. Very pretty. Has a very bronzy glow. You can use it for eyeshadows. You can put it on your lips, bronzer, highlighter, whatever. But that is so cute. This is in the shade Corsair Goo, I guess I'm saying it right. I'm sorry if I'm not. But, okay, so the next one that we have is Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. $20. Now, I don't do my brows, which I probably should, but I don't need to, so I'm giving this away. But the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. Let's see what it looks like. And this is the shade Dark Brown. So I like the packaging. It's very pretty. I don't like tearing up any any boxes really, but you know. Okay, so so it looks like this when you get it out, and there's the applicator, the regular spoolie, and in the shade dark brown. So let's actually swatch this and see what it looks like. Okay. Perfect. All right, let's go to our next item, which we do not have many left. So this is the Farrah 18-hour liquid eyeliner, and this is a new product, a new brand, F-A-R-A-H, liquid eyeliner. And it originally is $20. A matte black, highly pigmented liquid eyeliner that will blow you away with 18-hour wear. So, here we go. And let's see what this looks like. I love getting new eyeliners and lipsticks and glosses and all kinds of stuff. So, let's see. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Ooh, that's very sleek. And buildable. Okay, so that's pretty nice. Will it hold for 18 hours? We'll see. When I do my try on video, it's not really smudging at all. So, I mean, that's awesome. Hopefully it won't. Oh yeah, it's not coming off. So that's gonna be really good. Okay, and the last item is the Some Institute Transport Exfoliating Glycolic Acid Pads. Never heard of these before. Gently exfoliate and treat your skin to take it to a whole new level. These soft saturated cotton pads are designed to help improve skin tone, texture, and clarity with an 8% buffered AHA formula that gently exfoliates dead cells on the skin surface. This is $65. So this is $65. And I have not washed my face yet, so I don't want to use these just yet. But I might use it first, I don't know. They smell very clean. It's just little pads in here. Little cotton pads. And they're very thin. You can see that. They're very thin. But I can't wait to use them. So, this was the January BoxyCharm. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment. Subscribe to BoxyCharm. I have been doing it for like the past 4 years, and I have hardly had to buy any makeup at all, okay? So, thank you guys, and y'all have an awesome day.